All right, guys, I'm back with another clipper over comb tip video. We're gonna get right into it. We're gonna start off with a contrasting comb. So Danny here has dark hair. We're not gonna use the dark comb. We'll use the white. If you guys didn't see that video, go check it out. So guys, in that video, I taught you guys to do it with an open clipper. And I know a lot of people don't like doing it with an open clipper. If you guys see, we can take our comb up. The contrast on the comb, we can see. I'm gonna take my open clipper and run it through. Some of you guys think that you like to cut better with the clipper closed. But my thing is, it's kind of risky. So down here where the comb sits, sometimes with the clipper closed, we can get a little bit short, and then you have kind of gap decline. You can see even here with the open clipper, it kind of did that. But trick for that, guys, we can throw the one guard on, close the clipper up. It's gonna give us pretty much the same length as the open clipper, but give us some safety so that we won't, scalp our client. So you guys can see that looks pretty consistent to what we started with. Again, tilt your comb out exactly where you want it. And you guys see super quick we flew through one side. And I do agree, guys, a open clipper does cut a lot easier. That's why I use all my big guards, closed clipper. Closed clipper cuts easier, so I understand, but you guys just wanna be careful because you can gap the client, cause yourself some trouble. Like if he wants a 2 on the sides, then we come in and cut it with a closed clipper and gap it, then we're gonna give ourselves a lot more work than we need to. So another thing, guys, you were loving the moving guide. You guys can see where the hair is sticking out, where it looks like it's already cut. And we're just gonna look for that as we tilt our comb up. Now, a lot of it is muscle memory. I just know where I wanna cut. So I just come in, I tilt my comb out to the same spot every time. But you guys are just basically looking for hair that's sticking out past the line that you're trying to cut. Now, as we move around to the back, guys, same thing. We have a one guard on, closed. We're gonna follow around, tilt it out exactly the same way as we work our way around. This is gonna be pretty much a high and tight haircut. I don't wanna show you guys the whole high and tight haircut. I just wanted to focus on another clipper over comb gem. So I know you guys were liking that, so I thought I'd bring it to you. So last but not least, guys, we see both sides where we cut. Now we just have to match it together. So we're just looking here. We can see the hair is cut here. We have long hair next to it. You're just looking for your traveling guide. Every time you pull the hair up, guys, you should see where the hair is cut. No hair here. There's our long hair. Tilt the comb out the same direction and make it all meet together. We'll go through one more time, make sure that it is consistent and where we want it. You guys see I don't do a lot of clipper over comb. If it's a longer haircut with more of a style to it, like we need the length right here, and I just don't do clipper over comb because I don't want to cut off more than I want to. I want to make sure I have the hair where I need it. But somebody like Danny here that gets it pretty high and tight, he was a Marine, is a Marine. He likes it pretty high and tight, so we go ahead and cut a lot of hair off and just get it out of our way. I just thought I'd show you guys another technique using the one guard closed. I'll tell you guys what, I actually don't ever do this. I just thought I'd show you guys, and that works pretty well, so I may actually start doing that. Now, if you guys watch my other videos, you know we do block graduation a lot of the time, and we start with our line here. So we can treat this the same way as we cut the top. We have a guide here from where our hair was laying, where it's hitting this corner. When we pull it up, we'll have a guide. We can take it straight across on top. He's gonna wear it kind of like a faux hawk. So we're gonna get to that, then we will do the skin fade on the sides. If you guys wanna watch, don't go anywhere. All right, guys, so I was gonna just put music behind this and let you guys watch the rest of the cut. I actually noticed what me and Danny were talking about, my recent price change, kind of what I've been through, and I think you guys can take something away from it. So listen to this conversation real quick, and then we'll get on to the rest of the cut.
How many people fell off since you cut it back a little bit? A lot?
It's been good. Lost quite a few that, and I've gained a lot of new ones that are paying the new price, if not more.
Right.
Like I was just telling one of them, they're like, Markel said, "You got a new client?" I said, "Dude, I got quite a few new clients, and they're paying more." And that's part of it. Like, they didn't know the price before. Dude just came in today, moved here from Louisville, and he was like, "Dude, I was paying the same price up there, so like it don't make." Because I was telling him, I was like, somebody recommended him to come to me, and I told him, "Well, it's funny, man." I said, "I actually didn't take new clients 2 months ago," and I said, "I just started," and I told him the whole deal, and he's like, "I don't care to pay, man. I want my hair done well, and I'll pay it." It's been awesome. guys, that is it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, smash that thumbs up. Make sure you guys are subscribed. I got a lot more content like this coming. Appreciate you guys watching. Catch you next time.